In this video, I'm making a beginner-friendly cotton candy cake. Start by stacking and filling your cake. If you would like an in-depth cake decorating tutorial, I will put a link in the description to my blog post. Pipe icing around the entire cake using both colors. Using an offset spatula, spread frosting evenly on the cake. Make sure the top of the cake is covered with icing. Use a straight edge to clean up the sides of the cake. As you go, add more icing where it's needed. Make sure to use both colors. Use a large piping bag fitted with a 1M piping tip for the swirls on top. For the finishing touches, add cotton candy on the top of the cake and a border along the bottom.